Hey there, it's Dr. Mark here from Behavioral Family Chiropractic, and here's a question for you. Can Facebook help you be more healthy? The answer is yes, if you take the right steps to curate your feed, stay connected, and share positive stories. Your experience on Facebook is entirely up to you. Who you follow can have a dramatic impact on your mental and physical well-being. Here are 5 steps to make Facebook healthy for you. Start by liking more of what inspires you. When you like or comment on a post, Facebook shows you more of those same types of posts. Next, unfollow any page that stresses you out or makes you feel bad. Step 3 is to actually look up. It's as simple as it sounds. Remember to literally look up for better physical health, less stress, and less pain. Try to look 20 feet away from your screen for 20 seconds every 20 minutes. Next, when you are on Facebook, stay connected to your tribes by commenting and engaging on your favorite posts. And finally, share the love. If you see something inspiring, helpful, or interesting, hit the share button to help your friends discover something new. Even a single share can have a significant impact on its reach on Facebook. Sharing healthy things with your friends will help more people be inspired to live a healthier life. We can either let social media bring us down and enable unhealthy habits, or we can share and amplify those inspiring positive ideas that make us all healthier, happier, and more positive human beings. It's up to us. Let's work together to amplify the good stuff and inspire others to live their best lives. Start today by visiting and favoriting my practice page here on Facebook. You'll be glad you did. I'll see you next week for another episode. Enjoy your week.